Hello, VB veterans. Don't panic. Yes, we're opening Excel. I promise. There will be no COM registration errors, no missing DLLs that only exist on one machine, and absolutely no one asking why option strict is turned off. Again, for this quick start, we're using what might be the least intimidating Excel sheet ever created. Just 3 things: emergency coffee price, tax, tip. That's it. No pivot tables, no VLOOKUP labyrinths, no cells containing business logic copied from a worksheet called Copy of Copy Final. We all need caffeine, especially if we've ever maintained a WinForms app from 2003. This sheet tracks the price of our morning survival juice, £2.92. We add 20% tax and a tip, which depends entirely on the emotional stability of the barista. All of this rolls into cost, the total amount we're spending to remain functional. Let's look at the formula. We round to 2 decimals, add the tip, add the tax, add the base price. A perfectly simple expression. And yes, I know you could write this in Visual Basic as something like dim cost, as decimal equals price times, tax plus tip and plus price. Readable, predictable, and refreshingly honest about what it's doing. Here's the exact same logic here, but expressed clearly, not hidden inside Excel cells, strongly typed, explicit. And unlike Excel, it won't suddenly break because someone dragged a Formula 1 cell too far to the right. But here's the real point. This formula is easy. Now imagine this isn't a tiny coffee example. Imagine a real-world business spreadsheet, 12 tabs, nested formulas, lookup chains, financial logic written by someone who left the company during the VB6 era, and absolutely 0 comments explaining why any of it works. Now the problem becomes clear. Visual Basic developers write clear, structured, understandable code, but the business still runs on Excel. And this is where Codcel becomes your new favorite tool. Codcel takes this sheet, even the truly ancient ones, and turns it into real Visual Basic code, a clean API, a UI, and even a calculation server. All we need to do is add a few tiny tags into the sheet. First input, emergency coffee price. Add star, I star, then the cell it refers to, D2. So star, I star, D2 star, done, easy. Next, tip. For the tip, which defaults to 0, we use star ID star D4 star. That tells Codcel, this is an input, the default value is whatever is in the cell. Tax stays constant, because the government, unlike floating point numbers, rarely surprises us mid-calculation. And the output, the cost, gets star O star D6 star output at D6. We now have input, price, constant, tax, input with default, tip, output, total cost. And those tiny tags are all Codcel needs to convert this spreadsheet into real Visual Basic code. In the next part, we'll use Codcel to turn this Excel file into a Visual Basic calculation engine, all in minutes. So yes, you can keep writing Visual Basic and let Codcel deal with the spreadsheets. To keep exploring Codcel, visit us anytime at codcel.io. See you in the next video.